Good afternoon, everybody. Dr. Bertolino again from Smooth Solutions Medical Aesthetics. Again, I'm the head doc, and I do want to pump you up. And what I'm going to talk about is something to pump up all our heads. What do I mean by that? Platelet-rich plasma. I know, I've talked about it before. But now we're going to get very scientific and very specific on what you can do with it and how you create it. We like using pure spin PRP. We like the centrifuge. Statistically, it has the best reputation in getting the best growth factors and the best platelets. But what do you have to know about the spins in these different things and what you're using them for? So in aesthetics, we like using leukocyte pore PRP. Why? Less inflammation, more growth factors, and specifically the platelets are enriched for aesthetic procedures. Oh, like hair restoration, facial stuff, scarring. You can put it, again, with any of the technologies. You can add it to just about anything. It also is wonderful for sexual wellness. We've talked about the O shot, the P shot. So it's the leukocyte pore PRP that in a specific spin, at a specific spins, I should say, a specific RPM, revolutions per minute, we can attain the right kind of PRP. What other kinds of PRP are there? There's monocyte-rich PRP. Wow, what's that used for? That's more orthopedics, chronic injuries, sports injuries. Those kinds of things respond better to monocyte-rich PRP. The ortho guys, I think, have even a different system than this. What about neutrophil PRP? Neutrophil PRP is more for acute injuries or wound healing. Used to do hyperbarics and wound healing. That was the type of PRP you wanted to incorporate into a graft or a chronic or acute wound. So again, when you're going to decide where you're going to get a procedure done, isn't it better to know exactly what you're talking about? The machine does the work. The doctor or the technician has to know the times to spin, how many minutes, and how many RPMs. And obviously inject it appropriately, mixing it with a filler or salmon sperm DNA or using it in hair follicles. I'm getting now my a tube that I wanted to show you. I just forgot to get it. These are our new tubes that we're going to use with Pure Spin. You might have seen this before, but we're going to use them. They're very interesting because we're going to spin from both sides. And we're going to get a degree of PRP that is going to be leukocyte pore to put into all your aesthetic procedures. So remember, PRP is not just PRP. Anybody could have any kind of junk centrifuge or any kind of, advertising. PRP, platelet-rich plasma, is specific, and it has to do with the technology you use. So if you're thinking about these procedures, smoothsolutionsmed.com. We're at 716-633-6100 at 5839 Main Street, Suite 102 in beautiful Williamsville, New York. Give us a call. We want to pump this up and any other head you have, because I am the head doc and I want to pump you up. Thank you.